Alright, Hasegawa kit again. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 1999 Rally New Zealand winner from Haribo. Let's take a look inside. Alright, let's see. One huge bag of sprues. So let's cut into this and see what the deal is. Alright, sprue number one is the chassis and suspension parts, some wheels, some brakes. I'm assuming this is the scoop for the top of the cart, wing, tub, another wing, have to look into that, tyres, rear view mirrors, roll cage, more rear view mirrors. I guess there's a few pieces here that aren't used. Let's see. Steering wheel, dash, more brakes. Yeah, I think there's a few bits I don't use here. Some seats, the all important body, which looks really cool. Some glass, which is not scratched. Tire markings. Let's see. Another sprue. Some engine parts and drive shaft. And then some PE. Not sure what these bits are. Seatbelt buckles, etc. Very cool. Decal sheath. Not too bad. And last but not least, the instruction booklet. Let's see how many steps there are in here. Sorry for all the crinkling. It's a weird instruction booklet. "15 steps. So, looks really cool on first look. Let's see how it comes out, and I hope everybody's okay, and thanks for watching. Well, here it is, the final model. My first Hasegawa, I think, and it is fiddly. One of the complaints about the Hasegawas is it's overly fiddly. And it was actually a simple kit, it didn't need to be so fiddly. It took a while to build it, but pretty happy with it. I don't see that I made any disasters. So yeah, I enjoyed it. It took a little bit of time, as I said. So again, thanks everybody for watching, and you know, let's keep plugging away on this hobby. Thanks everybody. Bye.